Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by matching Maya's color management and camera exposure to your target output. This prevents surprise brightness shifts later. Once done, add a directional or sun light as your primary key. Position it for the strongest highlight and shadow direction. Make sure to use a physical camera and set ISO, shutter, and aperture so that light intensity behaves predictably, which lets you tweak lights in scene units instead of guessing. After the key is set, build a three-point inspired network. Add a fill light to soften shadows and a rim or kick light to separate your subject from background. Vary color temperature for visual interest. Next, replace small point lights with area lights where possible. Increasing radius softens shadows naturally. Also take time to light link objects and tune decay/attenuation so lights only affect intended elements. This reduces post-corrections and keeps render times efficient while preserving artistic control. To finalize, introduce an image-based light for realistic reflections and ambient contribution, then balance it against your practical lights at low intensity so it doesn't wash out detail. Once balanced, enable global illumination and run progressive test renders to validate shadow softness and indirect bounces. If you see excessive noise or fireflies, increase sampling on noisy lights, enable denoising, or clamp indirect intensity. Also verify you're using consistent light units, so unexpected exposure jumps don't break the look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.